They say members of SUS where they plan to keep Mazi Nnamdi in prison forever. They say they don't finally expose them. My people, come hear wetin dey happen o. I go play you the videos. May you hear the people where they don't talk say they don't buy for this particular video now. You go shockadalize with things where you go hear. Abeg as you dey watch, may they share and make sure say drop your own opinion for inside comment section.
Chinasa killed Ikechukwu. Was Ikechukwu the only person he killed? What about Nnamdi? He sabotaged Nnamdi and had him pied. Yes. He sabotaged Nnamdi and had him pied. Because they told Nnamdi and his group not to protest for the release of Mazi. They sealed everywhere that nobody should protest about Mazi freedom. They want Mazi dead. They want Mazi to go to the prison. They want Mazi not to come out of that situation. So Nnamdi disobeyed them and went on protest. Then they now sabotaged Nnamdi. That is why Nnamdi was buried. So Chinasa Ogwobu Nnamdi. I don't know why I'm not getting the updates about the day Mazi Ikechukwu was killed. What is? Where are you guys, please? Where are you guys? Ikechukwu, the national coordinator of IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, in Biafra land, was assassinated on October 18, 2024 in Aba. Thank you very much. Zubi Cruz. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sacked Ejiofor and Osekome on June 15, 2023. Ikechukwu was died in October 18, 2024. And from that 2023, that Ejiofor and Osekome was sacked. There is no communication between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Chinasa Wanketa and every members of the Directorate of State. That is why they starved him of money. So, Biafrans, this is how to expose the enemies with facts and figures. No be cho. You know, KK Uda is a COVID-19 freedom fighter. He joined the movement in 2019 to 2020. Yes, that is when he joined. So he doesn't know the ethics, the cons and pros of the movement. He knows nothing. All he have work on the struggle, but you don't know. You will confirm it from what you are going to hear in his audio. This is recorded audio. Keke, I tell you, if you have 30 coordinators working with you, 29 are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's loyalists. But when they come to you, they will speak against him. But once you are done with your meeting, we'll get the information. The ones who want to bring out will bring it. The ones who don't want to bring out will keep it for your information. So you are the next person that makes it starting. So 29 are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu loyalists. Because some of them are there because of Egohani and Weta. Some of them are there because, they want to continue, doing the needful. I'm everywhere. The spirit of Biafra is war. Even when you want to go against Mazi, the spirit of Biafra will say, no, you must not do that. So now, let us continue. Ikechukwu was died in 2024, October 18th, while Ejiofor and Osekome was sacked on June 2023. Umunnem Bikon, where did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call Chinasa? When did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call Chinasa? How did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call Chinasa? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't use phone. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never spoken to Chinasa direct. When he used to send message, it was through Ejiofor. So when Ejiofor was out of the way, they became mad. They became angry. So how did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send message to this crook called Chinasa Woshi that he should tell the world that it is Fulani that killed Ikechukwu, not our people? How? Do your calculation by yourself and have your sense sparked. When the stop following this move sheepishly and foolishly, because they have told you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have turned the struggle to business with his family, and you believe it. You see the way we are exposing every of their lies. That is how we are dealing with them, and that is how we continue to deal with them until they fizzle out completely. Keke Oda, you are a fucking liar. Somebody is confirming that he joined this struggle in 2020 by January. He knows nothing about the struggle. I am like Taranchara and the struggle who knows a lot. So Biafras, pay attention.
Nobody has condemned that. Nobody has said.
Nobody has condemned that. Now the Bochi and the Bochi.
Somebody went to Sokoto. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu delivered a message to that woman. Woman came to say it as he understands.
He is now referring to Madam Imiesi. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave message to the woman in Sokoto. One day, from the Biafra Vanguard, one day, these are the children of Biafra that we abide during the war that come back. No, not you person go fit tell me why I go believe you. The Biafra Vanguard are the men, the children that were killed, massacred during the war that come back to life to continue this war. Not all these efulefus ndana why. Nandana kurubu no kurubu golo laptop golo generator ka we na animals nan ka we na sabotage ya neme. Who dey kelugo ego? But ega hu no ga nyo ndese. I don't want to come and be playing that your video, that your filthy videos that where you are thanking them for giving you money. I don't want to play it on my platform. I am focusing on the big masquerade. Now, I'm going to keke on Dante. Also, that woman, I'm trying to Madam Imiesi, but I'm going to go to Sokoto. I said, can you see us? I'm saying, I'm coming after Kaduma and Sokoto. Nante.
Man came to say it as he understands.
The woman came to say
immediately within 48 hours, press release was released. Benjamin, all of them went to Sokoto. Asked them, are you the one that said? When the press release came out. But all these things that is happening today, no press release, people will be asking honor.
What this idiot is saying here is that Madam Imiesi went to Sokoto and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave Madam Imiesi a message. And Madam Imiesi came out. Under 24 hours of Madam Imiesi coming out to say what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asked her to say, then a press release was made countering what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told Madam Imiesi. If Madam Imiesi delivered a message that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent her, how will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come to counter it after 24 hours? Hey, Mazi Soji, ask Munu, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu actually sent Madam Imiesi an errand, go and deliver this message to our people. Under 24 hours, will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu counter that message? Use your brain. Use your tongue to count your teeth and use your brain to tell yourself the truth. Is that a truth? No. It's because Madam Imiesi went to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to clear road for them to continue siphoning Biafrans fund, to continue stealing from Biafrans, to continue lying to you. That is what happened. That is exactly what happened. Because if Mazi sent you a message, you deliver the message, how will he come to counter it? Mazi sent his lawyer to clear the air because Madam Imiesi came first and delivered the message to those that sent her to Sokoto. And they told her, no, this is what you should say. This is what you say. They wanted to buy Mazi. You people doesn't know that these people wanted to buy Mazi. That is why Madam Imiesi was saying that Mazi should send his sister out of that place. Let the director of send someone that will be cooking for Mazi. You mean it? I mean, what did you mean? It's again. Should be chased out. Then Madam Imiesi should now bring somebody who will cook and give Mazi to eat and die, based on instruction given to them by the Nigerian government as they have brought them over. So KK is now condemning that Mazi countered the information he sent the woman after 24 hours. Everything that they say in that their covenant will dissect them from A to Z. So you have to relax. Because now you people now have never heard anything. Don't touch the dial. Stay there. Come on, here.
It's not this one. People will be talking. Are you sure? Let us go down. Let him come out. But this one I'm saying, I will just pause it for now because he longs to open a button. Okay. I would like to hear from all of you. before I will continue.
Ọtụcha gaasị ya now nazie ntị ka ịnụzie ndị ọsa isi ife ha ga-ekwubezi now. Ọtụcha gaasị ya now he want to leave them to talk maka okwu na-ebute okwu gwa nazie ntị ka unu nụzie ụmụ mugu coordinators ọchịkọnọrọ ọnụ na-asị isi ka unu nụzie ife ha ga-ekwu. Take away the point from everything ka eke ụdakwuru ebe a. Ya na Chinasa nọ na phone kọlụ bịa. Chinasa sị ya na call dị very important. Chinasa wee gwa ya na ndị gburu Ikechukwu na Ikechukwu kpọrọ ha afa sị ya gịnị ka m mere unu ji chọọ igbu m. These are the information Chinasa nyere ya. Then Mazi wee kpọọ Chinasa na phone esi Chinasa ihe kwutekwana nọ ndị Fulani gburu nọ ndị be anyị gburu Ikechukwu ya kwuo nọ ndị Fulani. Chinasa ji wee sị mba na ya ma ndị gburu Ikechukwu na ya ma mma otu ahụ but otu ahụ ma ndị gburu Ikechukwu. Chinasa o mepego ọnụ ya wee kwuo ụwa nekwa ndị gburu Ikechukwu. Onwego onye Chinasa kpọrọ afa so ụmụ Biafra nekwa onye gburu Ikechukwu all because of no ya gburu Ikechukwu also in the hand. And again the call ọ na-ekwu okwu na-emere na Mazi kpọrọ Chinasa wee gwa ya the people Mazi si ezighi ozi which is a Jofo was sacked in 2023 June 2023 15th June 2023. Ikechukwu died in I think August or is it October 2024. So how where did Mazi make the call? Ọkụrụ fụrụ ya ka anyị ga-esi ntị ka anyị nụzie ụmụ okoko ndị ya na ha nwere meeting n'aka anyị nụzie ụmụ okoko a ga-ekwu n'aka zie ntị na ntị.
This information we are getting now, some of us may have heard them, and some are hearing them for the first time now, but I think the majority of us have.
So hearing that KK Koro here, Bashi from A to C, book information. Some of you have heard it, some of you are hearing it for the first time. Now, it is information to them. Blatant lies cooked by Chinasa Wankita and the Chikedozium group. Now, I don't
have a feeling that maybe Nnamdi is trying to, he knows he is drowning, he is convinced about that.
Okay, Nnamdi is drowning.
And he is trying to drag everybody there.
Okay.
Because if Ibu Mado is dangerous, it is also dangerous for them. And by the grace of the Almighty, grace of Chukwu Kadama, IPOB has never been tempted in any way for any crime. They mention IPOB because they want to snare IPOB. They know it is plot. But we seem to have facts established against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his siblings now, as it were, because there is no point only saying the siblings. Mazi is in it. And which only say I do not think it is proper for us to drown with him trying to save him. My thinking is that we should be making effort to we are already clear in many ways. Our efforts should continue to demonstrate our clean hands. And above all, if it is possible, seek a way of ignoring these people, not giving them as much attention as we do, because they are stalling.
Shut up. Shut up. Now I want to talk. You see, what this idiot said here, he said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is drowning. Area. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to drown everybody into the ocean and sink with everybody. This is a man that they abandoned. This is a man that they gave order that no protest should be done for his sake to come out. This is a man they starved of financial support. They starved of moral support. They starved of spiritual support. The set of people that went against that law, or should I say order, given by the SDOS of Chikedozium, was led by Nnamdi. And because Nnamdi disobeyed them, Chinasa Wanketa now pied Nnamdi by calling those that works with him to go after them. Nnamdi was not the only person that died that very day, because if you listen to Chinasa after that incident, Chinasa came on Radio Biafra and be shouting that who sent them? Why did they go out? This DOS did not know about it. Chikodism was contacted. Chikodism said, I don't know about it. Because they gave instruction that let nobody again go out to protest. Are you people hearing it now? You understand what happened there now? They starved Mazi of support, moral support, spiritual support, physical support, financial support. This set of men came out on their own to say, we must protest. Then they sent military to counter them. Nnamdi. I said, no, don't call us. We told you not to protest. We want to protest. Do you understand it now? That is what happened. But if as you are listening to this coordinator that is speaking now, the point he's trying to make here is this: that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have seen that him is drawing, and he want to drag everybody to join with him. Now, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to come out from that place, anyhow he wants, he will come out. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still there because he meant the business. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still there because he wants Biafra to be restored. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to prove to the whole world that there is an Igbo man you cannot buy with money. There is an Igbo man that you cannot use money to manipulate. That is what is happening right now, in case you don't know. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to stand as the only Igbo man that cannot be bought with money. But here they are washing the brain of coordinators, telling them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is area, and they want to drag everybody to draw. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there trying to save everybody. And those that understand what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stands for are appreciating him for that. Let us listen.
Should continue to demonstrate our clean hands. And above all, if it is possible, seek a way of ignoring these people, not giving them as much attention as we do, because they are stalling.
They say they should ignore us.
The moves
you have no argument. You have no argument against us. You have to ignore us. And
distracting us.
Release our radio.
Because it could be a deliberate act that okay. As per Nnamdi coming back to be in charge of money, I do not know where she will do that. Is it with the 100 men? Is it with Avid? Or is it with Rising Sun? Mm-hmm. If she is doing that with them, that's okay. Mm-hmm. But in the IPOB, certainly that will never happen again.
Pay attention. The Avid, the Rising Sun, the ambassador were the people that took over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's affair when this set of criminals abandoned him. The Avid, the Rising Sun, the ambassadors for self-determination are the people that came to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's aid. Both medical, both the legal fees and everything, even including the wife. They sent $10,000 to the wife twice. To my own understanding, $10,000. That is the money that the Rising Sun, Avid, and the ambassador sent to Uchechi But if you see where they're attacking these people, UCH will be supporting them. But these are the same people that sent you $20,000. Courtesy Aloy Ejimako. It was Aloy Ejimako who called on them, say, please, it would total the first one, $10,000 sent earlier. The second one, $10,000 sent earlier. Her own case is tomorrow. I will come for her own case tomorrow. Tomorrow will be very hot. Now, this man that is speaking now is a coordinator. He is advising them, let us forget about these people. Let us leave these people. Let's not face them. Let's focus. Why can't you leave them? You must leave them because they are telling the truth. You cannot compete with them with your lies. Your lie can never equate what the truth which they are telling the world. That is the reason why he is telling. He knew this man in his conscience. If he had the wrong, that is why you advise. Let us leave these people. Let's focus. Let's continue in stealing, in doing what we are doing, but let's not be talking about them because they have more quality argument than us. And understand it that way. Let's listen to
money already. I'm not being callous in my statement, but honestly, this is my own personal feeling, and it is very, very convinced and well considered. All hail Biafra.
Onye ọ na-refer to kita as onye chọrọ igbu onwe ya bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ụmụ Biafra gwapụra n'utule. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chọrọ igbu onwe ya n'efu ka ọ chọrọ igbu onwe ya maka ụmụ Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ọ chọrọ ịnwụ because gịnị? Because na ọ chọrọ ka Biafra hapụ ịbịa ka o tiri ndụ ya ka Biafra nwee ike ịbịa. I want, as I'm talking to you now, I want you to be reasoning with me. Why Onya? Can we say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chọrọ igbu onwe ya? Yes. Let's agree with them that yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wanted to kill himself. Why does he want to die? Why does he reject every monetary inducement? Why does he reject every promise given to him? Oil well and everything. Why? When somebody is in hand of the government and refuses to take bribe, that is to say the person has put his life. That is the person. That is to say that the person has chosen the cause which made you to arrest him more than his whole life. He value the reason why you arrested him more than his whole life. So can we say that Mazi chọrọ igbu onwe ya? So ọ chọrọ igbu onwe ya na ụdị ka otu ụmụ Biafra na nsogbu ka ọ chọrọ igbu onwe ya na ụdị ka ọzọ pụta ụmụ Biafra. Ụmụ Biafra biko dele m na comment section. When you talk about the analysis, I am not here. We there. The Biafra Vanguard Media, we there here. The voice of the people of Biafra. I am here. So, oku gonye chọrọ igbu onwe ya. I happy ka ogbu onwe ya. But no one does azo. But for 5 years, he did not send him shishi. Shishi, he did not send him. Shishi, 1 night, he did not send to him. 5 years. In 5 years, you give order that nobody should protest for his sake. You only stand in the discharge. Which, if you did not, if your lawyer knew that if he had made the right move, he would have come out, but he refused to make the right move because the people who threatened to kill him have told him that if you do anyhow to bring this man out, we'll come for you, and he became afraid, and those are the reason why he spent 10 days, 11 days, 12 days without going for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release. He just went and be happy, jumping up and down, drinking tea. He have won a case. But the person you won the case is still in the hand of the enemy. You do not file for him to be released to you until they now put stay of execution. Which all of you know it was a plan. You guys were afraid that he was coming out. The moment that the stay of execution was filed, you people became happy.
My people, na don hear am as e dey happen. Share this video and drop your own opinion inside comment section. E don read.